mind if I record this?
What's up?
Do you mind if I record this?
No.
Okay. Alright. Got my permission. I'm gonna go through, do some undecking. Got a sleeper. Of course, another one. Another sleeper, a little bit smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and undeck these. The driver's currently right now putting the axles back in. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for rigging. Alright, first request, he didn't want to go through and lift it up, so we're just going to go ahead and lift up by the boom, as he ended up stating. So we're going to go through, get him to finish. Whenever it's done, we're going to go ahead and lift it up. But I'm using two of pretty much rim slings in a U-bolt or U-carry fashion, which are rated at 18.9. I got two of them.
Hey everyone, it's Ethan. I apologize for the short video and the lack of uploads. We here at Merciful Towing are taking the proper steps to ensure our subscribers are getting the most out of every video we put out. The owner has ordered us new mics for clear audio, and we now have a drone, as you can see in the background footage. We appreciate every return viewer, and we hope to see you back. Thanks for watching.